Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the essentials so the app runs reliably. Install the app from the official store and make sure it's version 1.0 or later. Once installed, sign in or create an account so your settings persist. Grant required permissions like microphone and camera for feature access, and connect to stable Wi-Fi or 4G to avoid timeouts. Once done, open the onboarding prompts and follow the first setup screens to calibrate the app. Now you'll dive into the core workflow. Open the main dashboard and tap the primary action button to start a session. Use built-in templates or presets to speed up common tasks, and then fine-tune with sliders or advanced settings to control output quality and scope. Make sure to save drafts frequently so you can roll back changes and review the activity history to understand what the app did. Once you see a repeatable pattern, you'll be faster and more accurate. To finish, export or publish results using the format and destination that match your workflow, and then verify output accuracy with a quick validation test so you catch mistakes early. Once done, archive or share the final file and review notifications for post-process actions. If something goes wrong, try common fixes. Restart the app, confirm permissions, clear cache, or reconnect to the network. If the issue persists, collect logs and contact support with screenshots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.